Weiss Zarett, Brofman, Sonnenklar, and Levy has a unique law practice. Our core mission is to represent physicians and other individuals and companies in the healthcare industry, and a large percentage of our business is dedicated only to healthcare. We are a boutique firm, and I'm proud of the fact that we provide just as good high-quality services, if not better, than any firm in Manhattan or around the country that practices healthcare law.
A lot of the other law firms that provide healthcare law represent physicians, but also hospitals and insurance companies. We've made a decision here that we would only represent physicians, which I think puts us in a good position to best advocate for their unique interests in this ever-changing world of healthcare law.
I work closely with the other partners, the other attorneys, with the clients, and the job entails heavy-duty legal analysis, heavy-duty litigation, in-court appearances, preparation of briefs, arguments, etc. I also have a large appellate practice, so if we're faced with an adverse decision or there's a decision that's being appealed by the other side, we're capable of litigating that aspect of it.
We've seen every possible example of legal problems that physicians can entwine themselves in. And as a result, I think we have a nice level of experience and track record in understanding what are the best solutions to our clients to get out of what are sometimes very unique and troublesome problems.
The four partners here, between us, we have well over 100 years of experience.
One of the common gripes that I hear from clients coming to me from other law firms are that they can't get a hold of their attorney, and I make sure that at this firm we're able to reach out to a client usually within an hour from when they contact us.
We make sure to get back to the clients immediately. We want to make sure that we also give them the right answers. And if we don't know an answer, we'll bring in other resources, consultants, other attorneys who'd be able to help. The attorneys here, and not only are they smart and great attorneys, they're really good people and they truly care about their staff as well as the clients. And they want to make sure that the clients really receive the best possible service. Not only do we advise clients with respect to legal issues, we also look at their practices as a whole. We all work together as a team.
Everyone is supportive of each other, and no matter where you turn, there's someone there if you need help, and the partners are great at mentoring the younger associates.
We have a youthful exuberance about the law. We really enjoy it. We like to transmit that to our young associates. We teach them, we get them involved. In every case that's handled, even if an associate is working on the case, there's always a partner involved in the case somewhere along the line, and we are primarily responsible for every single case that comes into this firm.
When looking for an attorney to represent you related to transactional matters or regulatory matters or litigation matters, you really ought to do your due diligence and make sure that you have an attorney that has experience in that specific area of the law.
I think if you were at a small business and you had an issue going, come and talk to us. We'll spend some time with you. We'll explain to you what the various possibilities are. And then if you decide to retain us, we'll make sure that you're fairly represented and that we won't overbill you, which I think clients care a lot about. And we care a lot about that too. We're very careful in making sure that the amount of hours that are spent are commensurate with the amount of work that needs to be done. So for a small business, for a medium-sized business, we're the right choice.